for the ascending order, descending order. Ascending order means increasing order. Our descending order means decreasing orders. Today in numbers, new concept. Today we see what is the new concept. Roman numbers, Roman numerals. Means what? Now see here. Roman numerals. Students, you know the 10 digits. We use the 10 digits. Means 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 and 9 to form different numbers. Means using these 10 digits 0 to 9. Using these 10 digits we make the numbers. Means 100. Means here how many numbers we use here? Here 1 and 2 zeros. 1 and 0 here we use. Then 9281. Here means 0 to we take the numbers in between the 1 to 0 to 9. Now see here this 0 10 digits 0 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 and 9 to form different numbers. Means what? See here, this number system we say the decimal system. This number system what we say? Decimal system. Decimal system means what? We use the 10 digits which are there 0 to 9. Between 0 to 9 between numbers and make the different numbers. This system is decimal system. Understood? Now decimal, it is invented by accident Indian mathematicians. This how it comes? It comes from our Indian accident Indian mathematicians. From the Indian means the Aryabhatta. From these persons, this accident decimal system comes in our national. Now see here. Next concept is there that time the Arabs was doing trade with us. That time who trade with us? Arabs. They learned this decimal system. Arabs trade with us and they learn our decimal system. Who learned our decimal system? Arabs learned our decimal system and they learned this decimal system and passed it to the rest of the world. And they passed to the rest of the world. Due to this reason, this system is called the Hindu-Arabic system. In our India, first decimal system comes for accident Indian mathematicians. Then Arabs trade with us and this system known as Hindus-Arab system. Understood? Till here you understood. Then see here, the Romans used 7 symbols as a basic system. Now here, who comes again? Romans. The Romans used 7 symbols. 7 symbols who are the letter of the alphabet as basic system. Their system and their values in the Hindu-Arabic system are as follows. Now, Roman systems follows in Hindu-Arabic system. Now see here, first I write here the Romans. How many symbols are there in Roman system? 7 symbols. And what is the 7 symbols are there? The letters of the alphabet. The letters of the alphabets are the 7 symbols. Now see here in Roman numerals, letters first here I, V, X, L, C, D and M. See here how many letters are there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Correct? Now in Hindu-Arabic numerals, the first here is the I. For this I, we say in Hindu-Arabic number 1. Understood? Now here is a V. This V in Hindu-Arabic system we say the 5. Next X. X means 10. X means 10. In Hindu-Arabic system this X we say the 10. Then next letter L. For this L we use the 50 number. Understood? For the L we use the 50 number. Then C. For the C we use the 100. For the D letter we use the 500 and for the M we use the 1000 number. Understood? Means in Roman numerals I means in Hindu-Arabic 1. V means 5. X means 10. L means 50. C means 100. D means 500 and M means 1000. Understood? Okay. there is a no, here is number 0 is Roman system. The system does not use place value to write the number. Means the place value system do not use the zeros here. Instead the numbers are obtained by rules of the addition and subtraction. For example, the rule number 1, what is there? First I read here, listen. Repetition of number and x means addition. Repetition of numeral I and x means addition. However, it cannot be repeated more than 3 times. It cannot be repeated. Which numbers cannot be repeated 3 times? I and x. V, L and D cannot be repeated. V, L and D cannot be repeated. For example, here rule number 1, what is there? Repetition of numeral I and x is means addition. Now here I means 1. I means 1. Here 2 i's. In Roman 2 I means what? 1 plus 1 is equal to 2. 1 plus 1 is equal to 2. And I3 means 1 plus 1 plus 1 is equal to 3. Understood? Means in I and x is a repeated means addition. Now x means 10. In Roman number x means 10. Double x means 10 plus 10 is equal to 20. X plus x. 3 times x means 10 plus 10 plus 10 is equal to 30. Understood? What is the rule? Once again I repeated. Repetition of numeral I and x means addition. 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 X means addition. X means 10. I means 1. However, it cannot be repeated more than 3 times. It cannot be repeated. It is very important. We repeated only how many times? 3 times. Not the more than. V, L and D cannot be repeated. Now V, L and D cannot be repeated. Now see here next. Rule number 2. What is the rule number 2? If a smaller numeral return to the left of a numeral of larger value, then it means subtraction. Now see here students, what is there? Smaller numeral. Here is a smaller numeral is a left than the larger value. Larger value what is, which is there here? V means 5 and this larger value's left side the smaller number is there. What? I means 1. When this, if the smaller numeral return to the left of the numeral of larger, the value then means subtraction. Now how we understand? Now we do the larger numeral. The larger numeral's left side which number is there? Smaller numeral means 5. At that time what we do? We do the subtraction. At that time what we do? We do the subtraction. Means 5, here 5, larger number. Minus, subtraction means minus. And I means 1. Means 5 minus 1 is equal to, we answer got 5. 5 minus 1, the answer we got 4. And we write in numeral number IV means 4. Understood? Now next example is there. X means Ix number is there. Which number is there? I and X. X means 10 and I means 1. Means in larger left side smaller number is there. So we do here what? Subtraction. Understood? Means 10 minus 1. 10 minus 1. Answer we got 9. Ix means 9. Understood? The rule number 3. What is the rule number 3? In the rule number 1, I and X means addition. Then rule number 2, the larger numbers left side, smaller number came, we do the subtraction. Now rule number 3. What is the rule number 3? If numeral return to the right of a numeral of larger value, then it means addition. If the numeral is right side is written to the right side, means numerals left side minus, numerals right side addition. Now see here V and I. V means 5 and I means 1. Means 5 plus 1 is equal to 6. Vi means, we got the numerals, Vi means 6 and number here 6. Now next example see here. V triple I. V triple I means V means 5 plus 1 plus 1 plus 1 means triple I means 3 times plus sign. 5 plus 1 plus 1 plus 1. 5, 6, 7, 8. Answer we got in numbers 8 and in numeral we write V double I. Understood? Next, third example here, X and double I. X means 10 and double I means 1 plus 1 means 10, 11 and 12. Understood? Means numerals left side smaller number came, we do the subtraction. Numerals right side numbers came, larger numbers right side came. Numerals right side larger value means the addition. Understood? What is the rule number 5? Now see. Rule number 5, to represent number greater than 10. Now numbers are given. They given the numbers and these numbers are greater than 10. The numbers are first split in terms of tens and ones. First what you do? You do the expanded form. You split the number. What you do first? You split the numbers. For example, here which number is there? 13. 13 is greater than 10. Correct? Then 10 plus 3. First we split it. 10 plus 3 is equal to answer we got. 10 means x and 3 means triple time 3. Correct? Means like that. Then 15 is there. Then we first split the number. Don't forget to split the number. Greater than 10. So here first you write 10 plus 5. 10 plus 5. 10 means x and 5 means v. Correct? Then 18. 10 plus, we split the number first. 10 plus 5 plus 3 means x, v and triple 3. Means 10, v means 5 and 3 means triple 3. Then 28. 28 first split the number. 10 plus 10 plus 5 plus 3 means x as v triple 3 means what came here? The number, Roman numeral. Understood? Okay. Students, you solve the exercise number 1 to 5 in your notebook. Okay. Thank you.